Hey, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be unboxing this massive box. This is the BN Head Volume 2, Set GMF X20A, the StrikeFreedom Gundam, which was released exclusively in China back in December last year. I know you guys will be asking, I got this from LVMAMA for a great deal, and it's still available for pre-order. Check out the website or reach out to them on Instagram for more details. And this comes with some marking water decals. So this comes with a universal base for the same series. With the base is about 53 cm tall. This is the second BN head I've gotten. I know my home is running out of space. I still gotta figure out where to put this. I wonder why Bandai is focusing so much on China's market lately. They always got their own exclusive cool stuff. The lights in both eyes and on the front and rear monitors will illuminate. So I guess now we have to install the batteries. Can you see the light? I think the head looks a lot better with some decals on. This round decal won't stick well because there's a bump in the middle. This is the best I can do. you guys liked my video today, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more gunpla content. Your feedback is always appreciated, so feel free to leave a comment below. See you in the next one.